lot of people out there just want to push my button. How can you come to me and tell me like work this money? If you did have a child, especially two picnic, don't like me something, just don't watch me, don't say nothing to me, cause me they over my corner, only they over phone corner. Me not rich. People like, oh no, I just do. So this is how the shoes look. Let me know which one is your fave. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's a girl Monique aka Mo. Welcome back to another vlog. So today is Vlogtober. This month is Vlogtober. So I'm gonna try to drop videos back to back, same way. For this video, I'm gonna do a unboxing. I don't know what's in these. A joke. I saw shoes, but I just unbox it with you guys so that you can see and tell me which one of them I like and whatsoever. So before we get straight on this video, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified whenever I post. Road to 6k guys, we're almost there. The goal for this year is 10k, and I know it's possible to reach 10k right now. It is so possible because we are growing so fast. Not true? We're growing so fast. I'm really and truly appreciate everybody who are coming in and like give me a little push. You know, I'm really appreciate it. Love you guys. So with no further ado, let's get straight on to this video, right? So I just opened this small package. I don't remember what this is. Hold on, I'm gonna go for one scissors. Alright, so I don't remember what this is, but we just open it up. Alright. So I think this is like the tool something for the door. Yeah, I'm stand corrected. Alright guys, so this is like a tool thing for the door. I'm going to open it up. Alright, let me just open it up right now and show you. Go step by step, right? Do you know what is this for? You don't know what it is? Guys, this is for the door. If you don't know exactly what it is, you don't make me know, yeah. I don't remember if I did order it. Or one company I reach out to, but I stop work with them because, you know, problem. Anyways, yeah. This is how it looks. I don't know what the hell is that. But make we move on. So, when you don't mind how the box there, please. I just open up this now. I leave it for cutting. I don't have to cut it. Right. Ooh. Why are the box there weird? Alright, so this is a Nike. A Nike or Nike on call it. It's a Nike. And look at this. Jesus, my foot must big for this. Look at this, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. I'm gonna say pink and pretty. We're not gonna wear this now. It's just nice. May I try it on. Come on, see if it big for my foot. If it big, I'm not gonna sell it. So may I try it on. Alright guys, me try it on. It don't big, but this is how it looks so far. And let me know and tell me what y'all think of it. Let me know what y'all think of the shoes, guys. Alright, so moving on. I must save the one here for last because I don't remember what's in that one. So, what was the one here? Alright, let's go just tear it now. But leave a few scissors, you know. Our next Nike, y'all. Our next Nike. I love pop them something here. I love pop them. Alright. Oh crap. Backside. That's what same color. Alright, so the same color. I can sell that one here. This size is says it on this. I soon check it out, but I'm gonna sell this one, y'all. It's the same color. Pink. If you're a pink girl here, so let me know if you all want it to buy. Alright, last one. Last but not least. Last package. Last package. Alright, let's go. 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 Ooh, okay. Hey, it's they're well sealed. Well sealed. Why the box have the scent there? Box have a scent in my life. Ooh. I can't me alone love them something there. So the next shoes we have is Adidas. This is the Adidas shoes, y'all. So make us see what this has say. Ooh. Ooh. Alright. Okay. Alright, so this is how the shoes looks. Tell me what y'all think of it. I'm gonna try it on and see how it look on my foot. But wanna make me know what's your take on the shoes. And it feel good too. Feel nice. And of course I have the little new scent there. Alright, I'm gonna try it on. This is how the shoes look. Tell me what you think of it, guys. You feel comfortable for my foot, man, I lie. It feels good. Alright guys, so that's it for the unboxing. Yeah, never nothing too long or too extra. But we just decide to want to show you guys. Let me know which one is your fave. Let me know. May I try to take a thumbnail a while ago. But anyways, yeah, that's it. And let me say, I don't know what me I do with too pink, but yeah. One of them bigger than one. I'm gonna try and two of them and they didn't fit me same way, so yeah. So we've come to the end of the video, guys. This is just a little short video, short unboxing video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified whenever your girl posts. Road to 6K, y'all. Road to 6K. We're not far from 10K, so I make we continue grow. Alright, so alright, y'all, so right here is steaming some rice. So we're gonna eat rice with the leftover KFC that was bought for Darius' birthday. Let me tell me, in love with the little storage container here, because it's very spacious, right? It's very spacious. And I'm in love with it. The cost for this was pretty much good. It did alright. Yeah, and I don't mind it empty in here, so empty like what? Yeah. So the bottles, I'm just going to keep the bottles in here for the time being, or maybe me put them in this, but for the time being, just going to go and put it in here so until I buy the stuff them to keep his storage bottle in. Just go and pack up. And buckle them. Not all of the buckle them I'm gonna pack up in here, just the ones that I'm currently using. So I'm not gonna give the cat them dinner now, because them finish them cat food. So I'm gonna feed them now. Darius is currently sleeping. He's not too long in bed, so we could find out him, we'll wake him up to give him something to eat. I can't wait. Listen. Give me space. Give me space. No good now. Guys, it's now 6:50. I go to Cebu, so I go look my clothes for the bed. While kind of amongst him father, I just take the opportunity here for just bed first, and then I can get to eat after. Cause I just the rice I cook. The KFC in the fridge just to hot up, and the rest of stuff them where I eat with it. So yeah, y'all, let me just take a minute out on the time. Just I gotta ramble a bit, right? So I don't know why it was so out of order. Most persons are comments, like I inbox me privately, I talk about their birthday and all of that, saying bad stuff, okay? Listen, it's what I can do for him. I don't have it like that. May I try? When you can give me a little props and say yes, money can I try. And this is some people say may I try, but other people out there just want to push my button to make me give a reaction, and that won't happen. Like, how can you come to me and tell me like work this money? That's all I can do for you pick me? Like, seriously? If you did have a child, especially two pitney, it's so hard. You have to know over budget and all them stuff there. I don't have it like that. So, you can at least come and say, okay, Monica, see that you're trying, and you know, like, come on. People like, oh no, no, I just do. Why? Anyways, mega beard. And when I look back, I felt so good because when I rewatch my video, I feel good because alright, I can say I can make Daryl rewatch the video and see when I do film on them something. Like, it's my YouTube channel, I can do anything I want with it, and my journey, I may show them my journey and them something as I go. So it must be a problem to Uno. Okay, at the thought that come, I make sure they post that and say the thought that come, because from people that text me one bag of negativity, I post that on my Instagram and say at the thought that comes and blah blah blah, and then there's a hashtag try and baby mother, because I do try. So I don't know what y'all are coming with, but have kids and see for yourself, so it's hard. Have kids. Let me tell you again, I am not rich. I'm not rich. But I know somebody can take care of picking them. Sometimes it is so hard. Sometimes I depend on my worst days. I want help, and I'm not going to reach out to nobody for help. I have to just stick with God as always, and God just provide a way for me. So, yes. If you don't like me, just don't watch me. Don't say nothing to me, because I'm over my corner or the over phone corner. Just leave me alone, cool?
Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. And I see you, the way I breathe you in, it's the texture of your skin. I wanna wrap my arms around you, baby, never let you go. And I see you, there's nothing like your touch. It's the way you lift me up, yeah. And I'll be right here with you till the end. Girl, teachers are in Georgia, oh yeah shit. I get my weed from California, that's that shit. I took my chick up to the north, yeah. Badass bitch. I get my light right from the source, yeah. Yeah, that's it. I got my peaches out in
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We've come to the end of the video. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit that bell to get notified whenever I post. I want to sleep, so my bed me go now. I'll see you guys in the next video.